we decided to take a trip, go see some friends on the other side of the state, and so we're not pulling our travel trailer. Let's go take a look at what we stayed in. We just kind of drove until we got tired and found one of the first places. Actually a $60 night place. Sorry about the light. It's like really early in the morning because we're getting out. We're going to go find some coffee, food, and get out of here. But let's go in and let's compare what we have in our travel trailer versus what we had tonight. And is it worth it to actually pull a travel trailer when you're doing stuff like this? So, here's our room. It was room 19. Let me get my camera all situated. As we come in, we have this wonderful, back in the day, I don't think it's been upgraded since the 50s maybe, as we swing around. We got a flat screen TV at least in here. So let's think about it. Let's look at our bed situation. So I'm kind of doing a side-by-side comparison. You'll see in our trailer we've got nightstands both sides. Our bed, yeah, a little cramped. Here we've got a nightstand and we've got a chair. Let me turn this light on so it gets a little more light in here. Okay, we swing around. There's our AC unit. Wonderful, you know. We didn't need it because it's kind of cool right now. Coming back around, we're going to walk into the kitchen. Here we go. We've got our refrigerator. You know, one of those small ones. That's wonderful. Telephone, of course. You know, the only way you can have a telephone in a trailer is by taking your cell phone if you have it. Over here, here's our little fan. So I'm not even sure if the AC actually works here. There's our closet. Yeah. And we swing around. Ah, there's our heater for here. So we've got a nice little portable heater. Got to find a plug, and actually the only real plug I found was way over here. I'll zoom you in a little bit. Right behind that chair. That's where we plugged it in. And I thought I'd take a test and try it out and just look at something. It does not have a trip sensor on it. So I am going to be letting some people know about that. And then also, before I even did turn it on, thing popped right up. I've got a cut in the sheath for the cord down to bare metal. Not good. This needs to be taken out of service. I'm going to have to let them know somehow. Up here, not sure exactly how long that smoke detector has been in place or if it's been tested, but there she is. Now we're going to take a step into the bathroom. Large size bathroom here. We're going to turn the light on. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. So now we come in. Yeah, the bathroom is definitely larger than the trailer itself. Boom. We come up. You know, we kind of come in, you know, wash. Now we're going to get in here. That's a little not code compliant. Come on around to our pink and white toilet. Gotta love that. You know, next, so you got a shower situation. I'm not sure. We did not even make 1 foot step into there. Towels of quality. Been used once or twice. Those ones actually look nice. Oh, that is a, I bet you what that is. That's the floor mat. Been used once or twice. Well, I tell you what. This was $60 for the night. And I don't think it was worth it at all, really. I would have rather, you know, possibly pulled the trailer, you know, with my amenities, and I think it would have been the same cost. So, bring you back around. So actually, you know, kind of my thoughts are on a lot of the stuff where people are saying that it's going to cost more to um, pull a trailer and use that versus staying somewhere. Yeah, this was $60 a night one. I mean, this is the bottom of the bucket. You know, dive, motel. You go to get better ones. They're $100. Think about it. There is places to stay. Now, at least in the Northwest, we can hit a lot of BLM areas. We can stay at campgrounds that are fairly reasonable. You can even stay at a truck stop. You know, but I'm not seeing the benefit of, when doing stuff like this, of staying in a motel. If this is the kind of quality that we're gonna, you're gonna see. Yes, of course, this is a budget motel for sure, and I mean, you're gonna get budget stuff. But as far as just the safety stuff, that's a heater, the cord on the heater, the light in the bathroom, even the security, standard quick set door lock, deadbolt and chain on a wooden door. I mean, very easily, you can get into that very easily. So, anyways, my thought, maybe next time we do this trip, I'm gonna pull a trailer, and then see what it actually is on number wise. But I would prefer, I think, even if it does cost a couple dollars more, having my own stuff, my own bed, everything like that, I'd feel so much more better than here. We did have to check for bed bugs, just double check. We didn't see none. Anyways, thought I'd make a little video here. Trailer versus motel. Hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have a wonderful day.